you wondered what the quality of some of the shipping supplies off of Temu are? I'm here to show you some of the things that I have purchased, and let's talk about it. If you are new, hello, by the way, thank you for stopping on by. My name is Stacy, and I have been reselling for over 10 years. My main platforms are eBay and Poshmark, but I also do sell a little bit on Mercari and Bonanza. I am mostly focused on women's pre-owned clothing. I hope that if you have not hit that subscribe button already, you will, and join me here every Sunday. And if you are a returning friend, thank you so much for coming on back. So I have ordered quite a few different stickers, thank you stickers, and I just will say that the quality seems to be good. They stick with no problems. I haven't had any complaints. The one thing that I just want to make sure to say is make sure to pay attention to the sizes. I mean, I know that we should be doing this wherever we order from, but I have noticed particularly here because the first batch of stickers I thought okay, but I didn't actually get out the tape measure or the ruler and think about it, and they were really small. So just keep that in mind. I have found for me about 1.5 seems to be a good size that I like. I thought these were so cute. It says, warning, this package will cause extreme happiness. Isn't that cute? So the 120 stickers I got for $1.39. Now these are the prices, of course, that they are when I bought them. Some things have already sold out, so just kind of keep that in mind too. Prices may vary, and there usually is a few different vendors to choose from on Temu if you haven't purchased from there before. So yeah, I thought these were so cute and happy with the thank you stickers. Now I love having clear bags for my clothing. I get either the bread bags from Amazon or from, the bread bags from Walmart, or there is a roll of bags from Amazon that I have found that works perfect for clothing that is size small, or if it's leggings or a tank top or something like that, and some button-up shirts. But some of the clothing or the larger sizes, I need something just a little bit bigger. So here is some clear plastic bags. They are not self-adhesive, self-adhering, but that's okay. I just, fold them over, tape, and put a thank you sticker on them. This size is 12 by 18, and I got 100 pieces for $12.79. And I feel like they aren't real heavy, but I'm putting it inside a poly, so I don't feel like they have to be, a really heavy weight. And they work great. This is actually the second pack that I have ordered. I went through my first one, and I had no complaints from anybody about using them when I shipped. And talking about polys, most of my polys, I always use my eBay, subscriber discount coupon, but that doesn't cover everything. And I have gotten some polys from Temu before that was like 12 by 15. They work great. Again, no complaints. But I've noticed that sometimes, especially for sweaters or jackets, I need a little bit of a bigger one. So I went to Temu. These are the extra large polys. If you sell clothing and you have a variety of styles and sizes, I would recommend really making sure that you have multiple sizes of polys on hand. This is 19.6 by 27.5, so very large. I don't sell any like pillows or anything, bedding, but if you did, you might want to pick these up as well. I got 10 of these for $6.14. So there you go. I don't use these too much, so that's why 10 is fine for me. By the way, I will have all the links to these down below, but again, if they have sold out, you might have to do a sell similar. If they've sold out when I'm linking them, then I will find similar ones. And tissue paper. So on the things that either have sequins or, just some kind of beading or something, I generally use polys, but if I'm going to use a box or if I have one of my hard good things, I like to put tissue paper in the box and kind of wrap it around and on top. This is 100 sheets of white tissue paper for 100 sheets for $5.77. The size is 20 by 14. So if I have something smaller, I can cut them in half and it works great, or a larger box, the perfect size. So I haven't ordered a huge amount yet, but there are some things from Temu. I would love to know down below if you have ordered anything for your shipping supplies for your business from Temu, or actually just in general, and what your thoughts are on it. I know that there is definitely some, people love it, people don't like it at all. So just curious to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Again, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the comments down below and in next Sunday's video. If you want to see some previous videos on eBay selling tips, you can click on any of the videos that are popping up now.